Hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making another Amish recipe. This one's for a pie that I've never tried before, but I'm so curious about. It's called a sawdust pie, an Amish sawdust pie, and the ingredients kind of sound fun. Let me show you now in the kitchen. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of shredded coconut. We need 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs into the bowl. The recipe calls for 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. I'm instead using oats. And 1.5 cups of sugar. You mix it up. It gets its name because right now it kind of looks like sawdust. Now it needs about 5 unbeaten egg whites. Right inside, I'm gonna mix it up. I'm dumping this into an unbaked pie shell, and I'm gonna cook it in a 350-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Well, would you look at this? It's a gorgeous pie. Can't wait to taste it. Time to give it a try. Sawdust pie. Let's find out. Nice and sweet. Coconut is the first thing I'm tasting. It is like a coconut oatmeal pie. It is absolutely stunning. I love an Amish pie so much. I don't know if you knew this, but I did live in Amish country for a little while. And the food over there, spectacular! You might want to give this pie a try. If you want to try pies like this or any other unusual food, you should subscribe to my channel. I do make a lot of fun stuff. Thank you so much for joining me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Until next time, I'll see you later. What do you get if you put cabbage in a wood chipper? Sawdust.